the Videotech stand at the Offshore Technology Conference 2015. What we're actually showing here is our solutions to the oil and gas industry. We have a major product here, which is the Maximus MPX-T, which is a dual head unit which actually has video and thermal technology built into it. The thermal is ideal for actually detecting humans and items at distance, and then the video is fantastic for verification of what is actually going on. You can see exactly what is happening. The unit is made of AISI 316L stainless steel, so it's also ideal for fitting into the oil and gas industry's harsh environment, either onshore or offshore. For certification, we actually have CUL, UL, IEC-EX and ATEX. So in the EX areas, we are there. We're actually very, very proud of this unit and actually put a 3-year warranty on it as well. That means any moving part, any mileage that you've done with it. So keep smiling. Thank you.